Greetings from Doran Beach, where I'm camping for a couple of days, and man, is it windy this afternoon. I'm in the shade over here, and it's very nice. There's my third row seat that I keep up so that I have like a little seating area separate from the bed. And I brought some extra clothes, and the two bags right there are the reading materials that I want to catch up on. I do have my porta potty handy. I try to keep things neat, and there's lots of room for sitting. Up here I have my ice chest and a bag of dry food, and that's what it looks like from this direction. If you haven't seen my van build out, which is a no build, here's another glimpse of it. I have storage areas and some paper towels, which come in handy for everything. That's my Reflectix over there that I put on the windows at night. I can show you that later. There's storage in the back, which I can show you here. Extra stuff, cooking stuff for outside is stored down here in milk crates. I'll have to show you that more later. There's more storage over here. Very comfortable, and I'm just going to chill out until I can get to the campsite or until this wind dies down and I can take a walk. Well, it's several hours later, and I am in the van because the gusts of wind are probably up to about 30 miles an hour, and it's a steady 20 to 25 miles an hour, and it's just too windy to be walking. So I've been reading and catching up on all of the magazines that I brought and newspapers, and now it's time for dinner. So I just wanted to let you know that I do have my little power station right there, and I'm heating up some pre-made food. It'll just take about an hour to heat up in my little electric hot logic. And that's the update for now. I'm in a campsite which is semi-private, more private on one side than the other, and I'm just a hop skipping away from the water. So maybe later it'll stop being so windy, or I might have to wait till tomorrow morning. Well, good morning. Yep, it's the next day, and I am happy to say there's no wind. It's not even 7 a.m. yet, and the sun is out. I'm in a really nice campsite. As you can see, it's private, completely private on this side. And on the other side, it is partially private with some trees and so forth. Nice, quiet neighbors. Had a very good, restful night. And I'm going to take a walk. I'll fix up the van later. It was very comfortable. Had a good sleep. And now it's time for the beach. I'm in the Shell Campground this time, and directly across from us is the bay. And the beach looks pretty vacant this morning. I see one runner. There's another person up there, but that's it. People are still waking up. I love being out here when it's very uncrowded. I missed the sunrise this morning because I was online on the computer and having my coffee. But now it's time for a nice walk. I think I'll walk all the way down to the jetty. So it looks like yesterday's high tide brought in some extra water. This big puddle here is not always here. In fact, I hardly ever see that. Gotta love that sound of the waves crashing. That's Bodega Bay, which goes into the Pacific Ocean here in Bodega Bay, California. And that hillside over there is probably where I will go for a hike later. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy the surf and the sand. Good morning, friends. Soaking up the sun. Almost to the jetty. And here's my destination. Thank you for coming along with me on this morning walk at Bodega Bay, Doran Beach, while I'm out here camping, getting away from the heat of the inland and enjoying the fresh air and the quiet and nature out here. Take care, take time to wander, it's good for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.